Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Chevy Tahoe hood from outside. Pull the exterior latch above the grille with a steady motion, let the hood pop up slightly, then reach under and move the secondary safety catch toward the driver's side while lifting the hood. Stand clear of any moving parts, use gloves if needed, and prop the hood securely with the prop rod or hood strut before working under the engine bay. If the hood latch resists, first test the exterior lever for free movement and spray a penetrating lubricant on the latch area, not into electrical parts. Try pulling the lever while a second person presses down on the hood to relieve tension. If the cable feels loose or snaps, stop and use the vehicle manual method or call roadside assistance to avoid damage. Replace a frayed cable promptly to prevent future lockouts and ensure safe operation. For emergencies where the interior release or exterior lever fails, reach through the grille or under the bumper area to locate and actuate the secondary catch with a long screwdriver or gloved hand. Work slowly to avoid scratching paint and have someone assist by slightly lifting the hood to reduce tension on the latch. If you cannot free the hood safely, a professional locksmith or mechanic can open it without causing further damage and advise on replacement parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.